Hello again, and welcome back to Aegis Armors. This week's project was a super cool, supercharged 2013 Mustang GT and gotta have it green, the perfect color choice for my favorite superhero, the Hulk. Paint correction and polishing was a bit of a challenge since we had to work around all the vinyl graphics. Luckily, the owner takes really good care of his car and uses proper washing techniques, so the paint was in pretty good condition. Once the paint correction and polishing were complete, we did a full solvent wipe, which removes all the oils left behind from polishing compounds. This ensures the ceramic coating attaches itself directly to the clear coat and not the oils that will eventually wear off the surface. Once the paint was coated, we also coated the wheel faces with our Aegis Armors heavy-duty wheel and caliper ceramic coating, then finished off the exterior coating with all the glass and plastic lenses with Aegis Armors ceramic glass coating. The color shift in the paint really shows in the sunlight now, just one of the benefits of paint correction followed up with ceramic coating. If this is something you're interested in doing to your vehicle, give us a call at 336-570-9790 for a free quote.